a smarter way to learn. Welcome to the English lane. If you've ever felt frustrated, like no matter how long you've studied English, you still can't speak with ease, then this video is your turning point. You've memorized vocabulary, repeated grammar rules, taken online classes, but real fluency still seems distant. Today, I want to give you a new path. Not a shortcut, not magic, but a smarter, deeply loyal, and scientifically proven way to let English enter your life through your sleep. That's right, your sleep, the calmest part of your day, can become your most powerful learning tool. And in this journey, I'll give you a system so loyal to your progress, so powerful in its design, that it will change how your brain holds English forever. Chapter 2: Why Sleep Learning Works. Your body rests during sleep, but your brain, it listens, it remembers, it organizes everything you absorbed while awake. In 2012, scientists in Switzerland proved that the human brain continues learning during certain sleep stages. They played foreign words to sleeping subjects. The next morning, those who heard the words in their sleep recalled more than those who didn't. That's not theory, that's science. This method, known as targeted memory reactivation, taps into your brain's silent power, and we're going to use it, step by step. Chapter 3: Calm the mind, unlock the mind. Before you press play on any English audio, pause, lie down, turn off the lights, take a deep breath, whisper to yourself, I am calm, I am safe, I am open, I am ready to learn English in my sleep. These are not mere words. These are commands to your brain. You are preparing your subconscious, sending it a message. Tonight, we grow. Without this mental calm, the audio will just float above your thoughts. But when you calm the mind, you open the door to real, loyal memory. Chapter 4: Keep it simple, keep it loyal. Your brain doesn't want long lectures while sleeping. It doesn't want complex tenses or fast conversations. It needs simplicity, familiarity, repetition. Choose audio that repeats simple phrases. This is my room. How are you? I speak English confidently. The simpler, the better. Play one 10 to 20-minute track with slow, calm, repeating phrases. Let your brain build loyal pathways, not get lost in confusion. Your brain will thank you with quiet recognition, loyal memory, and surprising understanding. Chapter 5: Whisper to the brain, don't shout, volume matters. Loud audio scares the brain into silence. Silent audio goes unheard. Find the sweet spot, a whisper, software, calm, gentle. It should feel like a trusted friend reading to you while you fall asleep. Loyal fluency begins in safety, and your sleeping brain listens best when it feels completely relaxed. Chapter 6: Short is strong. Long doesn't mean better. A 2-hour video is not more effective than a loyal 15-minute loop. Why? Because your brain in sleep can only absorb short, patterned language. A short audio loop repeated every night builds deeper memory than 100 hours of random videos. Remember, fluency grows like a song you can't forget because you heard it again and again. Chapter 7: Repetition is the root of mastery. Most people fail at sleep learning because they chase new audios every night. They confuse variety with growth. But your brain doesn't need variety. It needs loyalty. One loyal track, repeated nightly for 30 days, becomes a part of your subconscious. Just like a song you hum without thinking, your brain will begin to expect, repeat, and absorb your chosen phrases. Chapter 8: Morning Magic, 5 Golden Minutes. The first 5 minutes after waking are sacred. Your brain is still soft, open, do this while brushing your teeth, making tea, or getting dressed. These moments solidify your nighttime learning. They build the bridge between dream and dialogue. Chapter 9. Speak the words. Find your voice. Listening is important, but fluency only comes when you speak. Say 1 or 2 full sentences out loud every morning. Look in the mirror. Don't whisper. Speak clearly. Speak proudly. I'm learning English. I enjoy this process. I am improving every day. Speaking out loud wakes up your language muscles. It builds confidence. It teaches your brain. This voice matters. Chapter 10. Write it down. Anchor the memory. Writing activates a deeper level of memory. Keep a notebook beside your bed. Each morning, write 1 or 2 sentences you remember from your sleep audio. Even if it's only a phrase, even if you're unsure, write it anyway. This act of writing turns passing sound into loyal memory. Over time, you'll build your own personal phrasebook, born from dreams, confirmed in daylight. Chapter 11. Program your beliefs with affirmations. Fluency doesn't just live in your grammar, it lives in your beliefs. Affirmations are powerful. They shape your self-image, and when played during sleep, they go straight to your subconscious. Use affirmations like, I speak English with calm and confidence. My English is improving every day. Mistakes are my teachers. Repeat the same ones for 21 to 30 days. Or better, record them in your own voice. Your brain trusts your tone the most. Chapter 12. Practice by day, train by night. Sleep learning supports your brain, but real fluency comes from real use. Speak during the day. Watch English videos. Write a journal. Talk to yourself. Talk to others. Balance your practice. Night, repetition, calm, training. Day, action, speaking, using. Create a rule. For every 20 minutes of sleep learning, speak English for 2 minutes during the day. Consistency beats perfection, and loyalty to your routine will carry you through. Final chapter. Stay loyal, stay patient, stay listening. Most people give up too soon. They try for a week. They say it's not working. But fluency is like a seed. The roots grow deep before the flower shows. So, stay loyal, stay patient, stay listening. Your brain is changing. Your memory is growing. Your voice is finding its way. And one day, maybe on day 7 or day 17, you'll say something in English without thinking. Naturally, automatically, and you'll smile, because you'll know this is working. You're not just learning English. You're becoming someone who speaks it fluently, proudly, and freely. If this video helped you, subscribe to the English Lane. This is where learning becomes a journey, a habit, a transformation. Leave a comment. I'm starting tonight, so others know they're not alone. And tonight, when you press play, remember, even while you sleep, your future is listening.